are going to make chocolate chips. Hi everyone, I got brown sugar. And this is white sugar. This butter. This making powder, flour. This vanilla and scent. This egg. And then this chocolate. I like chocolate. Got stuck. First, we put butter. And then the second. And then you put white sugar. A lot, mommy. And then we mix it up. I'm ready, mommy. For that, we put 2 eggs. Milk egg. Now after that, we put what? We mix together. Use yummy. Use yummy. Now we put vanilla. How much? Now we mix together. I'm going to put all the chocolate into this. All done? Now let's see. I like to eat chocolate. Be careful, I'm done. I'm going to put it in the oven. Can you help me?
Okay, then.
That one, I need to open with the glass for me. That one.
This is very hot. Careful. You want mommy help you to put? Okay, yeah.
Mommy, can you open the oven? Because the oven is very hot.
Okay.
I open for yours.
Uy.
Stronger. Now, you can come.
Okay, wait. I think the glove first. Come close.
So hot, done ready? Is it done? I cook it done. I want to try. So nice. Nice, right, mommy? See you again.